stick around to see how we were inspired by nature and came up with these cute little crafts that are so easy to do and so adorable. You guys are going to want to make this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so like I said, I was just taking a bike ride, minding my business, riding through the neighborhood, and then we saw all these leaves, so we started to pick them, right? And I got to thinking, these could be a great craft. Look at it. Nature's art, right? So this inspired our newest craft that you guys are gonna see right now.
Don't get too close.
Yeah. But before we get to the craft, guys, I have to tell you, get out the house and explore nature with your kids. It's the best feeling ever. We just had a field day. We got to see the ducks and we got to go around picking everything she thought was interesting, from acorns to straw. We was just gathering everything, and I was like, we'll figure out how to make this stuff work later. But honestly, just get out the house, enjoy your kids, and just take it all in, man.
I see.
Yeah.
Alright, so here is our haul from our nature walk. And these leaves, they work best when they're dried out. So you want to let them dry out for a little bit, okay? And everything that we use for this project, I will put in the description box for you guys. So please go check that out. It's easier when you guys are trying to do this at home. So I figure put it in the description box. So check that out along with timestamps, okay? So for the first thing, I just freeform sketched out bubble letters of fall, because that's the letter that I wanted to showcase, and cut it out. Then take your foam sheets and go ahead and start cutting out, you know, some little leaf shapes, because you're going to need that later. So go ahead and do that now. And it's collage time, so we're going to take our leaves, right, and we're just going to put them all over the paper any way we want. So this part is great for a 2-year-old and up. So I just started by putting some glue all over the sheet and went to town. And you can put as much glue as you want, honestly, because it is going to dry clear, and the paper is going to dry hard anyway. So just put a generous amount and start going at it. Okay, so when you get your collage the way you like it, let it dry completely. Then I took a top of a Tupperware that I found, and I'm just going to push it down on it and flatten it because it was a little bulky. So you want it to be as flat as possible. Some of your leaves may crunch and fall off. It's fine, because I mean, if you put a generous amount, it'll be fine. No one will notice. So go ahead and flatten it out, and now you're ready to put your letters on. Alright, so grab your glue and start applying your letters wherever you want. When you get the letters exactly how you want it, go ahead and let it completely dry, and it should look like this. Done. Now let's go to part 2 so I can show you what else we did with these leaves. So if you enjoy this and you have older kids, here's something else you can do. So my 10-year-old niece wanted to get in on the action, right? So we went and took a nature walk. Picked everything that she thought was interesting and what she wanted to use for her collage. Then I took out some poster paper, and she's been eyeballing my pattern scissors forever, so I said, why not use it for this project? So I let her cut out whatever shape she wanted with these pattern scissors, and then she started taking all of her leaves and putting them on the paper, and she named it the leaf painting. I guess that's the first thing that came to her mind. So what I did is asked her a lot of, like, what does autumn and fall mean to you? So those are the words she used to describe it, and this is her final product. Cute, right? Alright, so now you're going to grab the pine cones you got from your nature walk. You're going to put a little glue on them, and we're going to start with our googly eyes. So put 2 in the front for the googly eyes. Then you're going to also take the foam what do you call these? Foam sheets, sorry, that we cut out earlier for the tail. Those are going to be our feathers for our tail. So then you're going to put those together in like a fan shape like you see us doing here. Alright, so when you're done, take your hot glue gun, put a little hot glue on the back side of your pine cone, stick it there, and then we're going to go ahead and make the beak and the little giblet thing. So now take a red piece of construction paper and cut like a teardrop shape. That's the kind of shape I did. And then you're going to glue it underneath the eyes, and then you're also going to make a triangle shape for the beak. And here's the final product. Cute, right? Now I'm also going to show you a way that I did mine with a leaf. So you can use some more leaves because we had a lot of leaves from our nature walk. So fan them together just like the foam sheets you fan together. So do it just like that. Same process. Stick it down and add the giblet and the beak. I don't know if that's called a giblet, but I'm going to keep calling it that. These turned out so cute. Now for this last craft, you guys are going to use your paper towel roll. You're going to cut it about 1/3 of the way, or cut some of it off as much as you want, how tall you want your tree. So go ahead and put the hot glue behind it, stick it down, and then go ahead and start putting your excess of your leaves that you have for your nature walk. You're going to put that on there now. I'm gonna stop right there and let me show you another way to do this. So for my daughters, I actually cut the paper towel roll the long way so it was wider. Put the glue on both sides of the openings and I stuck it down this way. And same process, just put we actually have more of those feathers that we use from the turkey, so we're gonna use those as the leaves now, and we stuck it on hers. So hers is cute and colorful tree. Mine is like a tree with leaves. And I also cut some of them smaller to make it look like the leaves are falling out. We stuck a little turkey on the front because she wanted to. We had some extra turkeys from another craft that we did. And if you want to see how we did these turkeys, go ahead and check out my other videos on my channel. Actually, I put a card up top that you guys can click it so you can see how to make those turkeys if you want. And then I had another pinecone turkey I had left over, so I went and stuck that one on mine. And these are the final products. Cute, right? Thank you so much, guys, for crafting with us today. I know you guys enjoyed these little projects, so go ahead and grab your kids and get started today. Go on your nature walk, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And when you guys do these crafts, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. All my information is in the description box below. I will see you next time, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.